Nanani sa Olivia Komachit. I'm a musician, multi-instrumentalist, a score composer, a live performer, and all-around artist. There's a great correlation with health and arts due to the fact that they are both important outlets to have in your life. I think eating healthier has a lot to do with how I play and what comes out when I play. I know what it feels like to be on my A game and to feel amazing and to wake up and be excited to start the day. And if I'm not that, I take a step back and I analyze what's off. Am I spinning too many plates? Am I not eating as well? And so I think parents can be a good example by eating healthy food themselves. I feel like children notice what their parents do in all formats, and that includes their diet and what they eat. I know friends and family who suffer from type 2 diabetes or have had it and have passed away because they've had it, and if it can be prevented, then it's ultimately your choice to take the small steps every single day and get support from those around you in order to live a healthier life.
Hawaii, Shannon Andrews in Ganyaki. I'm a dietitian and a nutrition coordinator for the Otoe-Missouria Tribe Health Department. Through our continued collaboration with Oklahoma Tribal Engagement Partners, we'll be bringing you the Not Our Destiny recipe series. Follow along as we show you how to make easy and healthy recipes the whole family will enjoy. Remember to complete a survey to receive an incentive. Hinwa Rujaywi, Ta, Torigun.
Today we're making wild onions and eggs. For this recipe you will need 6 eggs, 1 cup of wild onions, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Start by cleaning and coarsely chopping the wild onions. Preheat skillet over medium-high heat. Add wild onions, oil, and water to pan. Cover and cook until onions are tender. Traditionally, Native Americans grew a variety of crops including corn, potatoes, pumpkins, and sweet potatoes. They also gathered wild onions, blackberries, mulberries, and strawberries. The Otoe word for wild onion is si. Wild onions are known for their strong odor. The most eaten part of the plant is the bulb. They taste like green onions but are smaller in size. Wild onions are often confused with wild garlic and other common lawn weeds. While onions are cooking, in a mixing bowl, add eggs and beat until smooth. In the past, southeastern tribes, including the Choctaw, grew their food and looked for wild onions to harvest. This tradition continues today and brings families and communities together for wild onion dinners. These dinners are a time of fellowship and are often held at Indian churches, stomp grounds, or in homes. Traditional hymns or songs are sung, stories are told, and games are played. Add eggs to pan and scramble with onions until desired doneness. When wild onions are not in season, other types of onions could be used. Swap wild onions for white, yellow, or red. More vegetables could be added. Try tomatoes or bell pepper. Add black pepper if using, and serve warm. This dish makes 4 servings. 1 serving is half a cup. Enjoy!